Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Cargo website builder. First, navigate to the Cargo platform and sign up or log in. You'll then be greeted by your dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your projects. Take a moment to explore the interface, understanding where your site settings, pages, and design tools are located. Cargo offers a flexible environment for creative individuals to build unique online portfolios and websites with ease, providing a strong foundation for your digital presence. Now, let's dive into building your actual pages. From your dashboard, you can easily add new pages and organize them into a logical structure for your visitors. Cargo provides a variety of content blocks, including text, images, and video, which you can simply drag and drop onto your canvas. This intuitive editor allows for precise placement and arrangement, giving you full control over your layout. You can also embed external content, like social media feeds, to enrich your site. Once your content is in place, it's time to personalize your site's appearance. Cargo offers extensive design options, allowing you to customize fonts, colors, and backgrounds to perfectly match your brand or aesthetic. You can choose from hundreds of unique templates as a starting point, or apply custom CSS for more advanced styling. Remember to optimize your design for mobile responsiveness, ensuring your site looks great and functions flawlessly across all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Finally, with your design perfected and content polished, you're ready to launch your website to the world. Always preview your site thoroughly to catch any last-minute adjustments before publishing. With just one click, your Cargo site will go live, making it accessible globally. After launch, consider monitoring site analytics to understand visitor engagement and update your content regularly to keep your site fresh and relevant for your audience. This ensures a dynamic and engaging online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.